Okay, let's start from the iPad screen. Amy, this is for you, and if anyone's wanting to know how to load your stickers into GoodNotes once you've bought them, then this video is about that. So basically, Amy, you've got your iPad, and if you go into files, you said that your stickers was in your downloads folder. So here's my downloads folder, and I've got 2 sticker packs here that I thought I would show you one of how to load them in. So it's really quite simple. When you select one and then you share it with GoodNotes. That's how you do it. So let's go hearts and words. These are my sticker packs that I make, and this is a zip file. Okay, so we go to the share icon over here, and we're going to select open in GoodNotes. You see that? We select that, and this is a file I've got open. Oops. Oh, what happened? Okay, let's just go back and do that again because I hadn't said yes. So let's just go back to the beginning. You select your file. If it's a zip file, this is how you do it. Then you go into share, and you click open in GoodNotes. Now it'll offer you a choice. Because I have a document open, it's going to offer me a choice: import to current document or import as a new document. Now I want to use it in this current document, but I want it to be its own document. So I'm actually going to tick on import as a new document, and now you get to pick where you want to put it. And this is in GoodNotes. This is obviously your file tree in GoodNotes. So I'm going to put mine in my Wholehearted Me, and I've got, it's my Etsy shop. I've got a stickers folder. I'm going to import into there. So if I tap on that, it's importing the document. And that's the sticker pack that I've imported, right? So you know they're stickers, and these are GoodNotes stickers, because when you tap on the lasso tool, you can move it around. It starts out as a PNG file or a JPEG file that you have imported into GoodNotes, popped it on, and then exported out as a GoodNotes file. That's sort of the logistics, but I'm sure you don't really want to know all that. So what I can do, if I want to use them now in my weekly planner, you can absolutely do that. You can go in, you can just, let's hop off that. Let's go do what you love, copy. Let's just take one, just because the point is what's important. Actually, I will paste it here. Paste, and then you can do what you like with that sticker. The other way, of course, now the second whole thing of importing stickers, other than importing them all and putting them on a page inside of your planner, or having them in a separate document altogether. You can see the documents up here. I don't want to make it too complicated, but this is your sticker icon here, and these show your recents. But if you tap it twice and open a side window, you can actually get to see all of your stickers here, and you can use them. So just say I've got to do all my social media posting. I can pull in, oh, whoops, I meant to just, I can pull in all my, one of the things you need to understand is that your device doesn't know where you are until you tap the screen. So understand that when you're using this sort of stuff, you want to make sure you tap the screen to tell your device. So if I tap my screen here, it puts them up there in recents, but then it also, when I do a long press, it also knows that that's what I want to do. So understanding how the device thinks, that's going to really help you. So yeah, basically pulling in stickers that way. And then the other thing to learn about stickers is down the bottom here. These are all your categories, and like when I have a look at here, I might go, you know what, I need a new hairdryer. So I'm going to pull that in, and I've got to remember to buy that. Maybe on my weekly I would maybe use that. And I'm going to go to the gym every day this month, so I'm going to make that a goal as well. At this point now I'm just babbling on, but that's it. That's pretty simple. You've got it in your download folder, you tap on it, you share it with, this is just a recap, share it with GoodNotes. You make a decision where you want it. I want it as a new document, and I want it in my stickers directory. Import to stickers. It'll import it, open it up, and show you, bam, there it is. And then you can see it's up here. This is the document. Hearts and Words is there. My Sunday weekly planner's there. You know, this is the brain dump document that I've got. You know, just, you can see these are all the documents all the way along, right? And your stickers can exist in their own document. It's actually easier that way. But then when you're ready to know what stickers you want, that's when I would suggest that you create collections down the bottom here. And then you can delete them as you feel. The original, this is what comes with GoodNotes. I think there's 3 categories that come with GoodNotes. And then after that, you sort of buy your own, make your own, do whatever you want there. So I hope that helps. Any love on the channel would be greatly appreciated. And there's more videos over there for GoodNotes and the like too. So, bye.